Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So today your IELTS interview.
Yes.
So my name is Mas Khan and I'm your interviewer. Today I'm going to take your IELTS exam and this exam will be divided into three parts. First part will be your introduction, which will go on approximately 4-5 minutes, and your second part will be your cue card, for which you will get 1 minute for your preparation and for the 2 minutes for your speaking. And third part will be a follow-up part on the behalf of your cue card. Okay, so my ID is 121212 and your ID is 212121. We are taking this exam in Muradabad approximately 4:15 p.m. Okay, so just tell me your name, please.
Yes, so my name is Avinash Kumar, and Kumar is my family name, and you may address me as Avinash.
May I have your identity, please?
Yes, please. Here is my passport, and you can take a look.
Okay, Avinash, thank you.
Welcome.
Avinash, just tell me about your qualification. That what have you done in your qualification?
Yes, so I have done my bachelor's degree in nursing, and I have also pursued my internship in emergency department and in diabetic department for 6 months.
Okay, where do you live, Avinash?
So I live in Muradabad city, which is the brass city of India, which is it is in the north side of India.
Okay, just tell me about your family, Avinash.
Yes, so I live in a nuclear family, and we have 7 members in our family, including me and my mom and dad. And my mom is a government staff nurse, and my dad is a businessman.
Okay, Avinash. Just tell me what do you do in your leisure time?
So I prefer to play football and to play video games, and also to listen some music and to play cricket also.
Okay, Avinash. Good. And what is your future goals?
So my future goals are that I want to become an overseas nurse in England and later on Ireland.
Okay, good. May I know about your city, please?
Yes, so as I have already mentioned that my city is Muradabad city, which is the brass city of India, and it is famous for the brass production and export of brass around the globe.
Good. Your first part is ended up here, Avinash. We will like to start the second part.
Yes, please.
And you will take 1 minute as I told you. So, here is your cue card. You have 1 minute to write. You can write. Then after. Okay, your 1 minute is ended up now. So, okay, just tell about your cue card.
Yes. So last year in December on 23rd, we visited Goa, and we traveled around Goa, and we reached to a place called Doodh Sagar, and that was so good, and the beauty of the Doodh Sagar is beyond my words, and then we reached underneath the water, and we swam there, and also we enjoyed, and we took a lot of photographs with my phone and with my friend's phone, and we were three friends, and we took a selfie around there, and yes, I took a selfie, including me and my friends, and the at the back in the background of the peak, there was a mountain and two rivers which was colliding with each other, and it was looking like a milky milky line. And around the mountains there were some kind of trees, and some kind of eucalyptus trees over there, and birds were there on the trees. And yes, it was looking like an astonishing background. And yes, it contained a lot of beauty in itself. And also we enjoyed there, we swam there. And yes, the water was very cold that time, but as we know that Goa is an coastal area, is a coastal area, so that was not too much cold, but according to the temperature it was a bit cold. And yes, the photo I remember, yes, we have taken a lot of pictures, but I would like to talk about a photograph which is uh, which was taken on 31st December. And we were three friends in there, and I took a picture of my two friends over the bridge of that mountain. And yes, I love the picture because it has a lot of nature beauty there in that picture.
Okay, good. So Vinay, just tell me that how many friends do you have?
Yes, I have a lot of friends, but uh, we were three friends who visited in Goa in December.
Okay. So may I know that how often do you go to the mountains?
Yes, I prefer to go mountains once in a month, because
Okay.
I like the mountains and I like the beauty and the nature. I love the nature of.
Which place have you gone mostly?
Yes, so there is a place Nainital which is in the Uttarakhand, and we oftenly go there, and around once in a week or once in a month.
Okay. And how much are you fond of photograph?
Yes, I don't have that much of fond of photograph, but yeah, definitely when we go there and when we go to explore something, we take pictures to memorize and uh, for the clerical purposes also.
Okay. Okay, Avinash, that's all from our side. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
You're welcome.